if you're looking to stop recurring charges on your Apple ID, follow these simple steps to manage your subscriptions effectively. This guide will help you cancel any unwanted subscriptions and prevent future charges. Step 1. Open Settings. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. This is where you can manage your Apple ID and subscriptions. Step 2. Tap your name. At the top of the Settings menu, tap your name to access your Apple ID settings. This will lead you to your account details. Step 3. Select Subscriptions. Scroll down and tap on Subscriptions. Here, you will see a list of all active and expired subscriptions linked to your Apple ID. Step 4. Choose the subscription to cancel. Find the subscription you want to stop and tap on it. This will open the subscription details, where you can see the renewal date and pricing information. Step 5. Cancel subscription. Tap on Cancel Subscription at the bottom of the screen. Confirm your choice when prompted. Your subscription will remain active until the end of the billing cycle, but you will not be charged again. By following these steps, you can successfully manage and stop any recurring charges associated with your Apple ID. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out for help.